Sometimes we end up taking right decision and sometimes wrong decision. Repercussions of wrong decisions make us realize that next time this mistake is not to be repeated. But this decision stays for a brief period. We do the same mistake again and again. Our emotional being gets hurt severely by this. Is there any shortcut way to handle our emotional being? There is no shortcut way to handle our emotional movements and vital reactions, because they are the very power centers in our being. Very powerful. Emotion is very powerful and our vital being is very powerful. They are the power centers on it. There is no shortcut for it. Mother says that you must be very attentive to catch their weakness and mistakes and constantly try to control and surrender their movements till the psychic being accepts the deal, accept to deal these movements. Still psychic being comes forward and deal our emotion and our vital movement. We have to be very cautious, very attentive to catch their weaknesses and mistakes, and immediately we have to offer to the mother. This process will go on for long because they are very powerfully. But emotional being is very near to the psychic being. That is why if you can concentrate more and more on the psychic, then the psychic will take the responsibility to deal the emotional being. So that will be the best way. Till that we have to patiently practice and observe the mistakes done by the emotional being and our vital beings. At the same time, offer them, our emotional being and vital being, at the feet of the mother and Sri Aurobindo.